This video is going to show you how to install the BrainPOP LTI into Canvas to easily embed BrainPOP videos and activities into assignments and into modules. So you install the BrainPOP LTI by going to the App Center. To access the App Center, go to Settings in the bottom of the course navigation bar. Click on the Apps tab along the top and search for BrainPOP. You'll find it here. Click on it and click Add App. Now you'll need to enter the district's consumer key and shared secret. Our consumer key is MO_Springfield R12 and our shared secret is LTI 2017. So once you enter those, click Add App, and it will confirm that the app was added successfully. Now that you've installed the BrainPOP LTI, we need to get the initial setup completely done by getting you enrolled with the Google Single Sign-On. And to do this with BrainPOP, we have to launch an activity. So go into your assignments, create an assignment. You'll need to give your assignment a name, and then that's all you will do up here. Then scroll down. You can choose to give a point value if you like. You can choose to put it in an assignment group if you like. The big thing to remember is we're going to choose here at submission type. We're not going to do an online submission. We're going to choose the drop down and choose external tool. This is how you access the apps that you've enabled. Now we need to click on Find to find the BrainPOP LTI. Now you'll notice here that I have a BrainPOP with pop having lowercase letters and an option of BrainPOP with pop with all capitalized letters. We need to choose the one with the capitalized letters. I'm not sure why two show up, but one works and one doesn't. So go ahead and choose the BrainPOP with all the caps, capitalized POP, and then choose Select. And at this point, we're not going to do anything else until we've saved the assignment. You can have it load this in a new tab if you like. It's going to be embedded on the screen, so I don't really feel that's necessary. And then you can choose your assigned to and any due dates and available dates if you need. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and save and publish. Now you'll notice that I'm still on my BrainPOP LTI assignment page, but I no longer see anything with the assignment. I'm just here in BrainPOP. And so to go ahead and get your first setup, we're going to choose an activity to get that ball rolling. So I'm just going to choose an activity, go into Science, Cellular Life and Genetics, Active Transport. So notice how it says Success. This BrainPOP resource has been selected. And then my screen's blue. Do a screen refresh, and now you can see what this says. So I can see the activity I've chosen in the background, but I'm not enrolled. So I need to get that set up. It says, in order to create your My BrainPOP teacher account, you need to know your school. Please enter your school's educator code below. We have district codes for all elementary and middle schools. I'm going to paste that code and click Submit. It's going to ask you to agree to the terms of service and to certify that you're using it with the authorized subscription, and you are. So we're going to check both of those boxes and click Approve. Now I see all of my content here, and then up here I should see my name. But we are going to want to go a step further right now and go ahead and set up our classes. Setting up your classes allows your kids to join your class, which then gives you the ability to assign stuff for the class and to access their data, to run those data reports based on the activities they've done. To set your classes up, you'll come up to My BrainPOP and choose My Classes. Now, this will walk you through how to set up your classes if you like, or you can just click Skip Tour and Create Class. I'm going to skip tour and create class for the sake of the video. Now I give my class a name and come up with a class code. This is the code that you will give your students that allows them to join your class. Now, you may have to try a couple different codes because it won't let you select a code that has already been chosen by somebody else. So come up with a code and try it, and then it will let you know if you need to pick a different one. Okay? So now it's showing that I have successfully created Mr. Sullivan English, and my class code is Mr. JJ Sully 2. And then it shows down below, share your code with the students, and they can go to BrainPOP and enter the code. However, we're not going to have them do that because you have it here, right here in the LTI. So I'm going to switch this view over to a student account so you can see what it's like for that student to log in for the very first time to access your BrainPOP activity. So here I am as a student in a course. I'm going to choose assignments because that's where the BrainPOP LTI assignment was. And then I'm going to choose BrainPOP LTI. The assignment loads, but the registration's not done. So this will be their process for the first time. After this, they won't need to do this again. So they're going to choose a security question. They're going to choose a security image. We'll go with Honest Abe. And then they're going to enter the class code. This is the code that you just created. And then click Create Account. They'll get a confirmation, congratulations. Refresh the screen after you get your congratulations message, and now the student will be logged in. They'll see that they're logged in up here and that they have the activities that they can do down here. Once they've done that, BrainPOP LTI has successfully been installed and the students have been successfully enrolled.